Hi dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine. Welcome to our maths class. Today we discuss about fractional area. You have learned about area of rectangle in 5th standard. Fractional area. Fractional area. How can we find area in rectangle? How can we find length into breadth? Length into breadth. Area is length into breadth. Length into breadth. Length area divided by breadth. Breadth area divided by length. Write on your notebook. May I clean the board? First activity. Activity first. The length and breadth of some rectangles are given below. Length 1/2 centimeter and breadth 1/4 centimeter. The length and breadth of some rectangles are given below. Calculate area. Calculate area. Is area length into breadth L into B. Area length into breadth 1/2 into 1/4 is 2 into 4 8 plus 1 9/2 into 4 into 3 plus 1 4. Nine divided by 2 into 13 divided by 4. 9 into 13 are 117 divided by 2 into 4 are 8 and divided by How many times? 1. $37, $32, 5 remainder is 14, 5 by 8. Next activity. Activity 2. Six, 3 by 4, 5, 1 by 3. So, rectangle length of 3, 6, 3 by 4 and width 5, 1 by 3. Area, length into breadth. Length 6, 3 by 4 into 5, 1 by 3. $27 by 4 into 16 by 3. 432 divided by 4 into 3, 12, divided by 36 square centimeter. Next activity number 3. Rectangle 1 by 3 meter. 1 by 3 meter, 3 by 4 meter. Find the area. Length into breadth. Length is 1 by 3 meter. Length 1 by 3 into breadth 3 by 4. 3 by 4. 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. 4 by 3. 3 by 4. 4 by 3 into 3 by 4 is 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 3 is 12. Is 1 square meter. 1 square meter. Are you finished? Any doubt? Okay. Next activity. Activity number 4. What is the area of square of side 1 by 2 meter? What is the area of square of side 1 by 2 meter, 1.5 meter. Side is 1 by 2 meter. area of square, area of the square 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 into 2 plus 1. 1 into 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 into and numerator, denominator into 1 plus numerator plus 1. Three into 3 are 9. 2 2s are 4. 9 by 4. 9 divided by 4. Divided by 4, 2. Remainder is 1. 2, 1 by 4 square meter. Square meter. Okay. May I clean the board? Next activity, back and forth. Activity name, subtitle, back and forth. Back and forth. Back and forth, instead of saying turn fraction upside down, instead of saying turn fraction upside down, we can say the interchanging numerator and denominator. The fraction thus got is called reciprocal. Reciprocal method is interchanging the numerator and denominator. Listen. Write down, instead of saying inverted comma turn the fraction upside down, we can say interchanging the numerator and denominator. The fraction thus got is reciprocal. To draw a box. Reciprocal is the interchanging method, numerator and denominator. For example, 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is the fraction. 2 is the numerator and 5 is denominator. Is numerator and 5 is denominator. Example, reciprocal. Of 2 by 5, 5 by is interchanging method. The denominator is numerator and numerator is denominator. Reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. Got it? Do you understood? Any doubt? Reciprocal is the interchanging method. Numerator and denominator interchanging. The numerator change the denominator and denominator change the numerator. Some examples. Reciprocal of 4 by 8, reciprocal of 10, reciprocal of 10, and of 1 by 5, right? 8 by 4, the reciprocal, changing the numerator and denominator. Reciprocal of 10 is 1 by 10, 1 by 10. Reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5 by 1. Write down. May I clean the board? Activity first. Activity first. The length of string. The length of string is 2 meter, 4 meter, 4 meter, 4 meter, and another string is 14 meter. 14 meter. The length of string is 4 meter and another string is 14 meter. Question number 1. What is the length of longer, what is the length? What is the fraction of the length? What is the fraction of the length? What is the fraction of the longer string? Longer string is 40 meter. Is the shorter string. Shorter string is 4 meter. And next another question, question number 2. How much times of the shorter string and shorter string is the longer string. Longer string. The length of string is 4 meter is the shorter string and another string is 14 meter. And what is the fraction of the longer string is the shorter string. How much times of the longer string and shorter string? Answer. The fraction of the longer string is the smallest string or shortest string. Shortest string. Longer string is 14 divided by 4 and shorter string is 4 divided by 14. The fraction of the longer string is 14 divided by 4 and the shorter string is 4 divided by 14. Next, question number 2. Length of shorter string longer string. How many times of longer string and shorter string? 14. The common number, to find the common number 40. How many times? Common number is the 2. How many times longer? 14 divided by 4 is 7 by 2 and shorter string 4 divided by 14 is 2 by 14. How many times in longer strings is 7 by 2 and shorter string is times in 2 by 14. 2 by 14, no, 2 by 7, 2 by 7, 2 by 7. Next activity, fraction division. Fraction division, write down subtitle, fraction division. Fraction division, to divide by fraction, multiply by its reciprocal. Write down, to divide by fraction. To divide by fraction, multiply by its reciprocal. Fraction division, to divide by fraction, multiply by its reciprocal, activity first, fraction division. Activity first, a 16 meter rod is cut into 2 by 3 equal pieces. How many pieces do we get? A 6 meter rod is cut into 2 by 3. A 6 meter rod is cut into 2 by 3. Equal pieces. How many pieces do we get? Total length. total length 16 meter, number of pieces 2 by 3. Number of pieces is 2 by 3. One piece is, number of piece is 2 by 3 is the one piece. 2 by 3 is the one piece. One piece. Number of pieces 16 divided by 2 by 3. 16 divided by 2 by 3. 16 to divide fraction into multiples. Multiple with reciprocal. 16 into 3 by 2 is interchanging, reciprocal. 2 by 3 is 2 by 3 is the 3 by 2. 48 divided by 2. 48 divided by 2. 24. Write down. Listen to the chart. Activity fractional area. The perimeter of square is 40 meters. What is its area? Next, back and forth activity 2. One iron box weight 6 kilogram and another 26 kilogram. What fraction of the weight of the heavier block is the lighter block? How much times of the weight of the lighter block is the heavier block? The weight of the heavier block is 26 divided by 6. 26 by 6. 13 by 3 times of the lighter block. The weight of the lighter block is 6 divided by 6. 6 by 26. 3 by 13. It's a reciprocal method. Lighter, longer and heavier. Heavier is 26 and lighter is 6. Is interchanging. Activity 3. A pumpkin is cut into 3 equal pieces. 2 pieces together weigh 1 kilogram. What is the weight of the whole pumpkin? Next activity. 1.5 liters of water is needed to fill 3 by 4 of a can. How much water is needed to fill it complete? Activity 5. There are 3 pieces of ribbon. 2 of the pieces and half the third piece laid end to and make 1 meter. What is the length of a piece in centimeters? Listen. Fraction division. Activity 2. 5 1 by 4 liters of water is to be stored 2 by 3 liter bottles. How many bottles do we need? Each bottle stored 3 by 4 liter of water. So, 1 by 4 liter is 3 by 4 of the number of the bottles needed. Number of bottles needed 1 by 4 divided by 3 by 4 is 21 by 4 into 4 by 3 is 7. Activity 3. 12.5 kilogram of sugar is to be packed in 2.5 kilogram bags. How many bags do we need? Total measure of sugar 12.5 kilogram. Weight of sugar in one packet 2.5 kilogram. Number of packet needed 2.5 kilogram divided by 2 and 1 by 2 is the 2.5 kilogram. 25 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 is 25 into 2 is 50 and 2 into 5 are 30. 50 divided by 2 into 5 are 10. 50 divided by 10. Sorry. 25 into 2 are 50. 2 into 5 are 10. Divided by 50 divided by 10 is 5. Activity 5. The area of rectangle is 12 1 by 6 1 by 2 square centimeters and the length of one of its side is 3 by 4 centimeters. What is the length of the other side? Activity 5 from 1 by 2 meter rope to 1 by 2 meter pieces are cut out. How many pieces do we get? What is the length of the remaining pieces? Do you understood? Any doubt? Today class is over. All students should read and study.